triumphant sound, sit for us locked down. With thoughts to take, just walk down. Pushing chains, dragging feet on the ground. You scream for truth in the midst of lies. No time to bow, gotta open our eyes. Revolution's calling, can you feel the heat? A battle cry, yes the city streets beat. Raise your fists if you're ready to fight. For the truth, the kiss, the flagging light. Break the walls, once to sit the fall. In the name of freedom, we stand tall. So don't stand tall and look rad. Screaming against the chains that hold us down. You hear the sound, it's shaking the ground. We'll keep pushing, we won't break your pin. The message loud to the bitter end. Cast off the shackles, feel the power rise. In this struggle we will all survive. Raise your fists if you're ready to fight. For the truth, against the blinding light. Break the walls, once to sit the fall. In the name of freedom, we stand tall.
GAINST runs from the dark green beach, it's beachside beat. We're on reef dust, once in or stop the heat runs green, so we'll have our business.
We won't bow down, we won't concede. United for freedom, we lead the creed. In the face of tyranny, we will rise. With open anger, see the fire in our eyes. Raise your fists if you're ready to fight. For the truth, against the blinding light. Break the walls, once to sit the